Choose a web hosting provider that offers secure and reliable hosting services. Get a custom domain name that is easy to remember and closely related to your business name. Optimize your website for SEO by doing keyword research and using relevant keywords in your content. Improve your website's performance and add a meta description to enhance its click-through rate. Create a user-friendly website design that is accessible and visually appealing. Test your website on different devices and screen resolutions to ensure everything is visible and accessible. Build relevant pages that showcase your business and provide valuable information to your audience. Include pages such as home, about us, services, and contact. Promote your website through online advertising and social media platforms. Monitor your website's performance and make necessary updates to keep it relevant and engaging.